What's going on, everybody? Lucas here. Today we have another unboxing, and now it's a drone. It's the new, or not very new, but the Ryze Dji Tello, and it's powered by DJI, so it better be good. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. We got some silicone. Throw away, do not eat. We got an instruction book. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. No way. Look at this. Okay, moving on. We've got the battery. And this has 30 minutes of flight time, which is really good for such a small battery. Come on, dude. And we've got a whole set of extra propellers. Okay, let's take a look at the drone itself. Oh, so tight. Oh my gosh. No way. This little camera can record video 720p HD. Amazing. It has a micro USB port, and here's where you get the battery. Just like that. Oh my god, this is so small. Like, look at comparison. This is the drone. This is my hand. This is my phone. Samsung J3. Like, this is a Rubik's Cube. Look, this is insane. It is so small. Here's the smallest drone I have. In comparison, this is the speed level explained. This is the Tello. This does not even have a camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's charge this thing up, and I'll read the manuals, and I'll double check it out for the first flight. Oh my god, so exciting! Okay, so we're going to fly this thing inside because it is very windy and it's probably going to rain. So try to connect this thing. So connecting this thing. So it's now connected with the Wi-Fi. And we'll launch the app. Okay, let's see. So it says Tello. Okay, let's try. To take off. Oh my gosh! Guys, look how stable this is! Oh my gosh! Oh! Wow! Here's the paper profile. gosh! This is so nice! So one thing is I'm controlling this with my mobile because it does not come with a controller. But this seems to work very well. It's very responsive. Like, check out. So yeah, I really do like this. Okay, so you'll like this thing. Okay guys, so just press land and tap to land. It lands right away. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was the first flight, and I'm going to make another video on this and review, and hopefully we'll try it outside. But now, first impressions, I love this. Let's go out and check out the hood.